Hey buddy! This is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best AM5 motherboards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best AM5 motherboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Asus ProArt X870 Creator Wi-Fi. The Asus ProArt X870 Creator Wi-Fi is a high-end motherboard built for content creators and creative professionals, with plenty of speedy I/O ports and 4 M.2 SSD slots for storage. Although AMD's Threadripper CPUs are made for productivity and usage on workstations, nothing is stopping you from using a Ryzen CPU instead, and unless you need lots of RAM, AM5 can be a great platform for a workstation PC. If you're building a PC for work, we recommend Asus's ProArt X870 Creator, which is a no-compromises board. This motherboard has it all: 2 PCIe X16 slots running at 5.0, if both are populated, they drop to half lanes, which is effectively PCIe 4.0 speeds, 4 M.2 slots with 2 running at PCIe 5.0 and the others at 4.0, and support for up to DDR5-8000 with either ECC or non-ECC DIMS. The VRM uses 16 plus 2 stages, which is lower than many other X870E boards but still sufficient for high-end CPUs. Each M.2 SSD slot comes with a heatsink. The rear I/O is extremely impressive, with its 10 gigabit and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 USB 4 ports, and 9 other USB ports. The ProArt X670 Creator is essentially unrivaled for workstation use. Number 2. Gigabyte X870 Aorus Master. The Gigabyte X870 Aorus Master is another good choice for making a no-compromise build with the most powerful CPUs in the Ryzen range. With a 16 plus 2 plus 2 110A VRM stage, it's got plenty of power for any of the CPUs, and comes with tons of quality-of-life improvements. The Gigabyte X870 Aorus Master is another premium motherboard with the newest X870E chipset, designed to get the most out of your AM5 compatible Ryzen CPUs. It has a 16 plus 2 plus 2 VRM solution rated at 110A for overclocking support, which is handy if you picked up the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D before stocks ran out. It supports up to DDR5-8600 and has AI overclocking to find the best settings for your specific hardware configuration. You get 4 M.2 NVMe SSD slots, with 3 of them being PCIe 5.0, plus tons of USB ports, including 2 USB 4.0 with 40 gigabits per second, for USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, for USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, and 2 USB-A 2.0. Rounding out the connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 5GB networking. I've been testing the Intel version, and while the specifications are awesome, they're not the best part for me. It's the quality of life improvements, of which there are many. Number 3. Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7. The Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE is a high-performance ATX motherboard designed for AMD AM5 processors, combining cutting-edge connectivity, robust power delivery, and premium features that cater to gamers, creators, and enthusiasts seeking a future-ready platform. Design and build quality. Premium ATX form factor with a sleek, modern aesthetic and reinforced PCIe slots. EasyLatch PCIe slot design ensures safer GPU installation and reduces the risk of damage. Full 5-year warranty, reflecting Gigabyte's confidence in build quality and reliability. Robust cooling solutions with multiple fan headers and heatsinks for stable operation under heavy loads. The Gigabyte B850 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 ICE motherboard is an excellent choice for AMD AM5 builders seeking performance, connectivity, and future-proof features. With DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0 support, Wi-Fi 7, and 2.5 GB LAN, it provides all the tools for a high-end gaming, content creation, or productivity PC. Its combination of premium build quality, advanced features, and robust warranty makes it a top-tier motherboard in the AMD ecosystem. Number 4. Gigabyte B550MK Motherboard. The Gigabyte B550MK is a compact micro-ATX motherboard designed for AMD AM4 Ryzen 5000 series processors. It combines solid performance, modern connectivity, and affordability, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers, home office builds, and general-purpose PCs. Design and build quality. Micro-ATX form factor fits smaller cases without sacrificing essential features. Sturdy PCB and reinforced PCIe slots provide durability and reliability. Minimalistic, clean design suitable for both gaming rigs and professional setups. The Gigabyte B550MK motherboard is an excellent choice for compact AMD builds that balance cost and performance. With PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, DDR4 memory compatibility, and solid networking, it provides a reliable foundation for gaming, office, or home PC setups. Its micro-ATX form factor makes it ideal for smaller cases while still offering modern features for future upgrades. Number 5. Gigabyte Z590 Vision G. The Gigabyte Z590 Vision G is a high-performance ATX motherboard designed for Intel 10th and 11th Gen Core processors, LGA 1200. Combining robust connectivity, professional-grade features, and excellent build quality, it's ideal for content creators, gamers, and power users seeking a reliable and future-proof platform. Premium ATX form factor with a clean, minimalist design tailored for professional builds. High-quality PCB with reinforced PCE slots ensures durability and safe GPU installation. Multiple heatsinks provide efficient thermal management for stable long-term performance. The Gigabyte Z590 Vision G is an excellent motherboard for Intel LGA 1200 builds, combining high-speed storage, PCIe 4.0 support, and professional connectivity in a clean, ATX design. It's perfect for content creators, productivity-focused users, and gamers seeking a stable platform with robust expansion capabilities and future-ready features.